Okay, next option, drafted filleted pad and drafted filleted pocket. See, insert sketch based features. So drafted filleted pad. So drafted fillet pad, you know already pad option, right? Why have to use pad means, so you are creating some height of the 2D sketch. So after that, filleted is there, drafted is there. Okay, so drafted means, so you are drawing any 2D sketch, right? So you are converting 2D sketch into 3D shape. Means you are creating some height. After creating some height, so your all the faces of your sketch is here na. Okay, you are bending some angle. Draft means you are bending some angle. After bending, so after creating 3D model, so the 3D model having edges are there na. So this edges having apply fillets also once a time. Once a time you are creating height. After you are bending the faces means draft. After that, my when model having fillets edges are there. Edges having also apply the fillet. Okay, that is the meaning of the drafted filleted pad. ఓకే అండ్ ఒక 2D స్కెచ్ డ్రా చేసిన దానికి హైట్ క్రియేట్ చేసా ప్యాడ్ కమాండ్ యూజ్ చేసి హైట్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత సో ఫేసెస్ వస్తాయి కదా అన్ని ఫేసెస్ని బెండ్ చేసాను సమ్ యాంగిల్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ అంటే బెండ్ చేయటం అనమాట ఓకే సో వాటికి ఫిల్లెట్స్ ఉంటాయా ఎడ్జెస్ ఉంటాయా ఎడ్జెస్కి ఫిల్లెట్స్ కూడా అప్లై చేస్తున్నా వన్ సెట్ ఓకే సో 3 features యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇన్ వన్ ఫీచర్ ఓన్లీ that is called drafted filleted pad. Okay, see for using this one, first I am selecting this face. You can go to the sketch option. So here I am drawing one rectangle. Okay, so after completion of this, exit. Okay, now you are using drafted filleted pad. Okay, so in the drafted filleted pad, okay, after see selection of the face, here limit is here na. Limit means face is selected compulsory, that time only that height will be visible. See here pad will be there na. Pad means height na. Okay, how much height you are requiring. So for example 60 height. See preview. Okay, so this is height. After applying the height, so by using draft 5 degrees bending my faces, 10 degrees bending my faces. Okay, where you are bending from bottom, your faces will be drafting outside is there. Okay, so here first limit means, so you are creating draft 10 degrees in bottom side. Okay, second limit means, so in bottom is not changed, so in top faces you are bending 10 degrees inside. Okay, so after that you can create the height and after that you can create the draft. See this component having few edges are there and all edges having fillets are there, you can see this one. Okay, so here fillets are there, so fillet radius is how much, you are save the radius also. Okay, for example my radius is 2, click outside. So lateral radius means these edges, vertical edges is called lateral radius. Okay, so first limit radius is called limit 1. Where is this, this is limit 1 means top face edges are there na, these edges will be first limit edges. Okay, so here bottom fillets are there na, these will be second limit edges. How much radius you want to need, you are applying the fillets also for all edges. For example I don't want to require fillets for vertical edges, in that time you can switch off the lateral radius, so you can remove the fillets for these edges. For example I don't want to require in top side also first limit, you can remove this first limit fillets. So I am requiring only in bottom, that's why second limit radius is on. For example, I don't want to need draft. You are switching off this. You can observe this one only straight face only you are creating. So you want to need draft, that time only you are using these options. Draft means, so only pad you are doing, only straight faces only you are creating. I am using drafted filleted pad means after creating the height, your faces will be bending in some angle. Okay, that is a draft. After creating the draft also, so you are applying the fillets also possible by using this option. Okay, that's why this is called drafted pileted pad. You are creating height by using pad. After creating height by using draft option, your faces will be bent some angle. After that, so that having edges are there, you can apply the fillet for the edges also. Okay, that's why this name is called drafted pileted pad. One feature you are using three features, combining of the three features: draft, fillets, pad. Okay, so anyway, based on your requirement, you are using these options. Okay, if you don't want to require draft, you can switch off this one only, no problem. So I am applying only fillets and pad only. I don't want to require draft. Okay, you can require draft also, you can switch on this. Okay, just click on OK. So this is called drafted pileted pad. Okay, so one feature you are using three: pad, draft and fillets. Okay, so without this feature, okay, so you are adding separately. So for example, first I want to need height now, you are using pad first. Okay, after using the pad is completed, you can go to the dress up features, so we can apply the fillets. Okay, how much radius is 5 radius, so we can apply the fillets for all the edges. Okay, so after applying the fillets, okay, so you are draft the faces now. Okay, before you can apply the fillets, so you can draft the faces first. Now you can go to the draft command after. Okay, so you are using separately. My faces to draft means all the faces I am selecting. Okay, so here my neutral element means this face. Okay, 5 degrees draft. See preview, your faces will be drafting now. Okay, after draft is completed, you are using the fillets. Okay, this is time taking processes. So you are using every feature having separately, you are using. Once you are using pad, after completion of you are using draft, after completion of this, you can use the fillets, you can apply, you can create this shape, right? So this is time taking process. Every feature having using separately na, in that time you can go to the one feature only. Okay, one feature only you are using, all three features you are using in that feature only. Okay, that is the use of that option, right? Once a time our creation is possible. Okay, so that is the drafted pileted pack. Can understand that? Okay,